Hi viewers, this is Umarani Purushothaman welcoming you all to the story page today. Okay, today I thought I will share with you a story where we should not underestimate others. That is very, very important. People underestimate others. It should not be done. Just have a look at this PPT where the story moves around a boy who is interested in playing piano and his mother. So I will be telling you the story about this boy and about this his mother. Okay, there was a boy called Robbie. Okay, this is a real story which happened in USA. So this boy Robbie, every day he will come with his mother to the master's house to learn piano. Okay, the mother will come, drop him, and then she will come back after some time, pick up the child and go. She will not talk anything to the master. But this boy was very dull. He was not very good in playing piano. But still, as a master will keep trying and teach him to improve himself. Okay, so for some time he will not come. For 1 or 2 or 3 months he will not come to the class. This master will be like worrying why he has not turned up. Then he will know, because he had lot of other work to be done, he will forget in the midst of his work. And one day what will happen is he wanted to conduct a concert, for to exhibit the talent of all his students in front of the public. So he will print a flyer saying that this is the venue where you will be coming and this is the time, and you all have to come and see that you are showing your talents in front of the public. So the flyer will reach all the students. Similarly, Robbie also will get the flyer. Okay, so though he did not come to the class, he will also be that master will send him also the flyer. He will look at the flyer and then next day he will reply to the master saying he wanted to join the concert and show his talent to the public. The master was worried. He is already very dull. He is not very good in playing piano. Anyhow, he did not want to demotivate. So he will think and decide the last that program in the last event will be Robbie event. Then he will give his vote of thanks. And finally, the event will take place and Robbie also will come that day. His event will be the last event. He will start playing the piano. The whole audience were very silent, and silently they will all be listening. The master will be astonished. So nicely, the guy will be playing the piano. He could not believe his eyes. He could not believe his ears. Is it Robbie? Is it Robbie? Like that, the master will be thinking. And then after the event gets over, everybody, audience will get up and clap their hands and applaud him. Master will be so happy. He will go hug the boy. Then he will ask, Robbie, how come you are not coming to the classes also? How did you perform so well? Then the boy will say, no, my mother was not well for 3 months. I only was taking care of her. Though she was suffering, she will always ask me to play the piano. When I sit in the piano, she will be so happy here. I can see the joy in her eyes. So I thought I should give her happiness by playing piano. So I improved myself playing piano in front of my mother. My mother will be so happy. But now she died. Now I am very sure she would have reached the heaven. She could hear. All these days she was deaf. Now I think she can hear my piano. I am dedicating this event to my mother. Like that the boy Robbie will say. Whole audience, they will be in their tears. Really, we should never underestimate others. This is one mistake all human beings we are doing. Please don't do that, because anybody can become a performer in one point of time. Okay, so this is what is the moral of the story. All kids are born with intelligence. Don't undervalue by their performance. Robbie nailed the show by playing his piano. His master said, Robbie, you are the teacher and I am your pupil. For you have taught me to do not underestimate others. Yes, this is very, very true, students. Children, I am telling you, don't underestimate by their looks or by their performance. Even as a teacher, I have seen that so many students will be very dull, but they become the achiever in their life. Thank you for your patience hearing.